Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change the lock screen timeout on your Google Pixel. Let's go. First, open the Settings app from your app drawer. Inside Settings, tap Display and Touch. This is where all screen and brightness options are located. Now tap Screen Timeout. Here you'll see a list of time intervals such as 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Choose the duration you prefer. Once you select a duration, it's automatically applied. Now your Pixel will lock the screen based on your chosen timeout interval. That's it. If this helped, like, comment and subscribe for more Pixel tips. Thanks for watching.